Hi! In front of me is TCL TabMax, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, you need to access device's settings and tap on security section over here. Then click on screen lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern pin or password. Following that, you need to enter it and choose next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it and tap on confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now tap on one of those answers to answer the question: when your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? I will go with don't show notifications at all, so I have to click on that one and choose done over here. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!